today I'm gonna be unboxing. Okay, so today I'm gonna be unboxing some bottle openers. I've been waiting for this package for a minute because it's from Canada, but I'm super interested in these bottle opener. So, I mean, yes, it is a bottle opener, but it is a Balisong, and I'm excited to use it. Now, I have butterfly knives and stuff like that, and like, you know, Flip Finz, Balio, but I've never had like an actual butterfly knife. Whoa, dude, they come in really nice bags. Yeah, so big shout out to BBBarFly for making these. I really like these bags. These are like really nice. Hey, it's thicker than I thought. This thing is like super heavy duty. Dude, I didn't think the hole was gonna be big enough. This is gonna be really interesting to play with. Yeah, this thing feels beastly. Like, it's really like wide, but it's like constructed in a way to where it just feels like a tank. Like, this is like the tank of butterfly knives. Oh, this one's crazy. Whoa. What the? Yo, this one is really nice. This one's cool, but like, this one has like, I don't know if there's pads in it. It just feels like real smooth right here. This one's sick. This is really dope. Like, this is the pro model. It's real nice. Like, they're a little different. Like, this one's definitely bigger. It's got this side one too, so you can open like this. That's really cool, man. I'm gonna play with these for a minute. Yeah, these are super nice. Since I have both versions, I guess I'll do like the pros and cons of them. So the normal one is like pretty heavy and thick, you know, like see how it's spread in the middle, and this one's thinner, and it's got like wobble to it, but I like the fact that it's heavy and thick. Like you can do other tricks with it that you can on the Pro. On the Pro, there's like hardly any wobble, you know, and there's like, seems like there's like padding in there, so it's super smooth, it feels super solid. The only real complaint I have about it is this right here. Like if I get too close right here and I hit that, it pinches my skin, like sometimes it hurts pretty bad. So that's like really one of the only cons I see about it, is like that's kind of sharp, hurts a little bit sometimes. It's definitely sharper on the edge than this one, so this one's like more forgiving and this one's a little bit sharper, but also this is probably a better metal than this one, so it is a little sharp on the inside of here, and this one's not as sharp. Now what I like about these is that they have these holes right here. So I had thought of the same idea because of Halo, like, oh, what if you put a hole in a butterfly knife? Well, barflies are exactly that, and you can do some pretty cool stuff if you can grab the blade and stick your finger in here. You know, you can make up new tricks with it, and it's a really interesting feature. But now we have to really test these for what they really are, for drinks, right? Alright, let's test it. Alright, as bottle openers, they both work. I'd have to say if I had to pick one, the Pro is definitely better. It just felt stronger. I know that's probably not why everybody gets these, but these are super dope. Like, highly recommended. These are like beast, you know? They're really cool, and also it's a good alternative from having a blade, because you can't just be walking around flipping a knife, you know, because that'll happen, and we don't want that. So this is a really good alternative, and shout out to the person who mentioned this in the comments of my Flip Finz video. I didn't really know about this company until somebody commented that they went from a barfly to a Flip Finz. And to give everyone a comparison on size, they're pretty much a normal length, you know, a little bit bigger than my old Balisong. They're thicker, they're more of like a triangle shape. And for the Flip Finz, you know, maybe going from Flip Finz to a barfly might be an easy transfer because they're both kind of thick. I used to just use these, And this one's good and all, but it's flimsy, it bends, it'll break at some point. So if you're gonna get a BBBarFly, the regular one's really nice, but if you want something solid, the Pro is like really constructed well. So yeah, go and check them out. Really, really cool knives. I mean, bottle openers. So yeah, go check them out. I'll put all the links in the description.